Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image 3-4 years ago. Models from one of the best model agency in Okinawa, Southern Cross. Well, this is my subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Actually, I tried a couple times from this image to make something interesting illustration, watercolor image, well, a couple different images. Now today I want to try again. This time I want to change. Well, I want to challenge some. I don't know what kind of image it's gonna be, but I want to try totally different image from these two. Well, let's get started. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna change blend mode from here. Lighter color has more pencil drawing type image. Well, overlay. Yeah, luminosity has some colors. I'm gonna add color anyways. Let me see. Try this image first. Fix. Okay, select multiple. 1, 2. Duplicate layers. Then merge selected. Right. Then duplicate this layer. Then one up at the top. I'm gonna darken these colors. Multiply. Then merge down. Then I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image. And let's see, change blend mode to divide. So like in the pencil drawing type image, just leave that colors. So well, I may use later, so I'm gonna duplicate this pencil drawing type image. Then one up at the top, just bring back to normal blend mode. Then turn it off to keep it. Now I have this blend mode divide, just merge down. So we got these colors, very interesting. Pastel color, warm tone. Well, then let's see, I'm gonna move this base image. I just want to keep this base image, so I'm gonna duplicate layer. Then one is just turn it off to keep it. This one. Bring this one up to over this image, luminosity effect layer, then change opacity to half, around about 40. Now I'm gonna move this empty layer over this original image, opacity 40, yeah? So easy to see, paint. Okay, I'm gonna change all the names. Alright, I'll paint with basic to soft round opacity, then color is skin tone first. Okay, let's see, change the blend mode, normal to color. Just want to see the color informations. Now let's see, change the makeup too. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, one more layer, then just normal blend mode. Keep it down. Keep this blend mode. Then add color. Since we don't have this highlight area, is no density on it, so we don't show this color layer, blend mode color. So I'm gonna add on here, like cheek. But this time though, it's gonna show brush texture, so it's gotta be real thin to soften up. I may smudge to soften up more later on. Well, now just keep it this way. Okay, now lips. Okay, now let's see. Okay, let's see this ribbon. Okay, and these earrings. Now her dress is whitish, so not much density. We have to paint on both layers, I think. This is color layer and this. Now we're gonna have color. Okay, about this teddy bear. A white color is fine, but let me see, it has some brownish. Again, it's white, so we need to add on this blend with normal color. Okay, I'm going to change the brush. Soft, round, size flow. Very hard to use this. Right, now I'm going to smudge. Brush is, well, dry media too. Well, let me see, a scratchy pencil. Let's see about this from normal layer. Smudge this. Yeah, easy to see this paint. This is paint on this normal blend mode color layer. It has much more brush texture edge, so I want to smudge to soften up the edge. Try to show only the color without edge of the brush. Smudge tool is squares, scratchy pencil. That works well. Alright, this is a paint on normal blend mode, and now this layer we have this cheek too. Just soften up. These colors on here is this color layer blend mode. Yeah. Well, about this layer, I think I want to smudge on her face. Let me see. Yeah, smooth it out. Okay, now I can touch up later. And now what's next? We got some colors, And let's see this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode. Okay, let's see darker color, linear burn. This is too dark. Well, look for nice illustration type image. Pastel color, soft light, maybe color burn. 50 maybe. Okay, just leave it this way. And pencil drawing type image, I may use this color burn, but too dark. I don't know if I like this dark lines. Too much, huh? Or I may add some pencil drawing type brush to add some dark lines on this pencil drawing image. Yeah, that's maybe it's one thing. Use this color burn. Is it gonna show up though? Let's see. That's interesting. Let me see. Choose brush. Well, sketching, pencil, or pen. Let's see. It shows pretty much. Maybe this is interesting. In this case, pencil. Yeah, just like pencil drawing. It's pencil drawing. It is pencil drawing. Okay, from here I can draw some. Okay, I want to add background. Let's see, if I add layer on top, then fill layer with white, pixel layer, then reveal with dry media to pastel square. Now balance. Reveal this mask to show the white layer. Then I'm going to paint on white layer. More colors. Then hide to show this image, base image. Okay, now paint. Okay, now it's really too settle, huh? So if let's see, this is pencil drawing type image, color burn. Go up to 52. Let's just touch darker. This is original image 40%. Oh, goes darker, huh? Let's see if I change this normal blend. Normal blend to linear burn. Well, linear burn goes a little more darker, but overall color, shadow pastel colors, I guess the balance is normal 40% is the best. Well, okay, this is it for today. This is the result. Okay, let me see. Okay, from here, this is the original shot. I made the luminosity effect layer image. Well, luminosity effect pencil drawing type image to get this image. This is the luminosity effect layer, 100% normal blend mode. This is the base image, and I add colors with blend mode is color. Oh well, to show this color much, I gotta show add original image, normal blend mode, opacity 40% is this halftone image. Then I add color to emphasize more warm image. Then also I add color on normal blend mode to show much this white area which doesn't have opacity density on an image, so I have to use that blend mode normal to add color. This is the one, just touch bluer costume and a little bit brownish teddy bear color. Then after that I add pencil drawing type image color burn effect on this much. Just touch contrast black. Then last thing, I add white layer mask. Wait, this is the mask, and I add color on this layer, white layer, this pastel blue, green, some touch orange colors to finish up. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of creative, some kind of idea for your creative work while making different image. Pretty fun. Add color and change blend mode to get something interesting image. Yeah. Well, I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. This illustration. Yes. That's it.